I'm Dana Denha, and this is Art Fair Close-Up 2019. I'm here with John Cara at the South University Art Fair, and he's obviously a woodworker, right?
Yes, correct.
So why don't you tell me a little bit about your woodwork, because it looks like you are using different kinds of wood and putting them together.
That's right. Yeah, every color you see is a different type of wood. So I get woods from all over the globe and glue them together so you get the natural colors. Most of my stuff is functional, so it can be used for like cutting boards or hot plates. And then when you wedge them down in, they also form like a basket. And people put cookbooks or fruit or napkins, whatever you want in there. But every shape does something. So that's
It
pretty much how
almost
they
looks
work.
like a puzzle piece, too, when you're, like, moving them together.
Yeah, I hear that a lot. Like, are these puzzles? But no, they're not really puzzles, but I guess they could be a two-piece puzzle.
Oh,
Yeah.
yeah, totally.
Yeah,
But yeah, it's cool that they have that sort of dual functionality too.
Yeah.
So do you like most of your pieces have dual
Mhm.
functions?
Yeah, like everything. Like these ones here, they're hot pads that form little stands for like computers, like laptops, or you can do cell phones in them, whatever. And then I learned these from my father. He's been doing these since I was a kid. I cut these out
yeah.
on an angle so that they'll interlock, but then there's no angle this way, so you can stand them separate, so you can display them however you want. But that's how I got into it. My dad's been doing shows for like 40 years.
Oh, really?
Yep.
So runs in the family
Yeah,
then.
I was cheap labor when I was young.
Well, when you talk about, so you talked about the color of the wood and how you like to use the is there anything that you have to do to bring out that sort of natural tone?
Zero. This is all completely natural. I seal them with an oil, but there's no stain or anything in it. It just shines them a little bit, but that's the exact color of the tree.
Wow. And so when you say you go all over the world, where,
Well, I
where,
get 'em from-
yeah,
I don't
yeah,
personally do it,
sure,
but yeah.
sure.
But like this purpley wood here comes from South America. It's called purple heart. And then like this black wood here, it's an African wood. It's called wenge. And then there's like oak and maple and walnut, which are from here, So I just cut the different strips, glue the strips, and that's how you get all the natural coloring in there.
Yeah, because looking at it, I was like, obviously the red and the black are not native to this area
No,
because I don't
no.
see any trees or anything that look that color.
Not around here.
Do you have a website or anything people can go to?
Yep, www.carawwooddesigns.com.
All right, thank you so
Oh,
much.
thank you. It was fun.
Stay tuned for more Art Fair Close-Up 2019.